brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. All right. I got a few things here I want to show you guys. I think some of you know we've just opened up a new shop, and we're stocking it now. A lot of people coming in and looking for gifts, holiday gifts for their friends, family, and for themselves. So let me show you a few things. Here we got just coming in, and all right. So we've got a hoodie, and like this one right here. This you need a hoodie, right? Especially in them cold winters, whether you're in Maine or San Diego, right? You gotta have a good hoodie for the winter, and these here are real heavy duty. These were selected by our Canadian chapters. They know winter up there. So yeah, head on over to our new website if you're interested in gifts or or something for yourself. And remember, everything you purchase from us goes to help support our chapters. We have 18,000 now in over 100 countries, and we appreciate your support. And so anytime you purchase something for us, it really helps our organization, which is by far the largest on the planet, all right? And Musk is working on that trip to Mars, so I think we'll have a chapter there real soon. Also in this bag, here we got t-shirt, right? Simple Pit Boys t-shirt. Although this one here is in popular request. Here's our camo, right? Perfect. Pit Boys camo, all set up for out in the woods and maybe hunting, fishing. You got to have your camo. And also, especially for the great Vegematic war that might be coming, you want to wear your camo. Looks pretty good. And the cool thing is, you can personalize these, right? You can put your chapter name here or your own pitmaster name. You could probably have something put on the back. You'll find that out when you go over there. So we do on-demand printing. Special order for some of our chapters and our pitmasters and our fans. You got to check it out. So, all right, this is what everybody's after, of course, is our pitmaster knives. These here, by popular request, are done in stainless steel. These are high carbon stainless steel knives. Great balance, great feel. We've been using these type of knives now for 13 years. They're do everything utensil, right? I mean, not only can cut your meat, they can also stir your stew pot, and they can also cut saplings down in the back if you need something for trimming the yard, right? So you'll find these out, but let me forewarn you, we've got this Christmas rush on, a holiday rush on, and we tried to prepare ourselves for, having a lot of stock in hand and people are coming in. But the fact is, a ton of people are coming in and buying these. So if you can't get them, we're temporarily out of stock. You can, maybe get a gift certificate or something like that. Treat yourself really well. All right, here's some of our rubs. We showed you these a couple weeks ago. Here's our poultry powder. These are 1 pound containers. Here's our pork privilege, great on pork, of course. There are some reviews on it online. You got to check them out. This is some of our own stuff. This is real popular, a Big Texan right here. And what else do we have here? Sweet Martha. We all love Sweet Martha. And it is, as it says, sweet. It adds an extra layer of sugar and sweetness, which goes really well on some barbecue, right? You know all about that. And we also have our SPG. It's now being sold in 1 pound containers now. And you might want to get your hand on one of these real quick. I'm not pushing you for this stuff, right? I mean, we appreciate your support. It's just a lot of you guys have been asking, where can I get your t-shirts? Where can I get your rubs? Where can I get your spices and sauces? And so this is kind of the information you need here, right? So check it out. We have a whole line of our sauces. We're working up now, so they should be available shortly. Just hang in there, right? So what else we got in here? Here's another t-shirt. They sent me a bunch of goodies here, and you've seen us using these before in our videos, right? How many videos we got? 850 instructional videos. We've been doing this for 13 years, and we have so many fans. We appreciate their support. You'll find us over on Facebook and on YouTube. All right, cool. There's a rag, a grease rag, a pit rag. Perfect, right? You gotta wipe your hands, right? You keep them clean with this. This is cool. It's got a belt hook on this. You can keep it attached to you, you know, and even wear it to work too, man. It works really good. So, yep, you can find those over there in the shop. What else is in here? Oh, the meat claws, the meat claws, and I think we have some in stock. Right, these are kind of the perfect size meat claws. Not too big, not too small. Stainless steel, right, like that. It's got a bottle opener here on the side. It's got a little knife blade here, maybe for cutting your chef string or butcher string, right, on a roast or something. So, of course, these meat claws make a fine gift, right? If you need some meat claws around the house, this will do it. This will get anybody's attention. What did you say, man? All right, so what else we got? Let me see here. That's what they sent down to me, and you got to check it out. Oh, here's one other thing. This is not available yet, but our friends at Scripto, right? The mighty Scripto, are going to be selling our BBQ Pit Boys Torch Flame, and these are great for lighting your barbecue. That BBQ Pit Boys on it, the whole 9 yards. So look for them in the beginning of the coming year, right? And they should be available maybe at your local convenience store or whatever, or at least ask for it. BBQ Pit Boys Torch Flame by Scripto. Thanks, Scripto, for your support. I appreciate it. So now here's a couple other things. Oh, here's a nice custom cutting board, and this here was made and sent to us by Skeeter from, he's up in Wausau, Wisconsin, way up there, right? This is great. He does this custom work, and absolutely beautiful boards. Let me see what he goes on here. He says, this board here is made of black walnut, hard maple, and paddock or padu, finished with an 1/8 inch profile and a 1/2 inch juice groove around it. Nice, right? And yeah, there's another board he does here too. And no, we're not being paid for this. This is just such a fine piece of woodwork here that we have to show you this. And I'm sure that Skeeter might be able to make you up one custom. We'll give you that information in the description below so you can hook up and talk to Skeeter about something you have. And he says, let me see, this board is put together with hard maple, white birch, look at that, black walnut, man, and mahogany. So absolutely beautiful. And it's already, and the cool thing is you can flip this board, and now you have your gravy catch right here, right around the edge. So that really works. So it's a dual side. You don't have to run and wash it when you're doing a meal out there. You could just flip it and you're good, right? So yeah, check out Skeeter, man. He's awesome. Thumbs up, Skeeter. This is awesome work, and you definitely try to check this out, guys. Man, it's perfect. Thank you, Skeeter. So let me move this away here. Probably crush the laptop. And so Well, yeah, there's a couple other cool things. Let me show you here. This here came in, and it's called the grill gun. What it is a charcoal lighter. It's called the grill gun. Get it out of this thing. Whoop! Like we're leaving our microphone here. Let me give you a second. We'll fix this. Yeah, it's called the. Flying right off here. Called the grill gun. And let's open it. Right here. Let's get it out. Take a look at this, huh? Grill gun. No, we're not paid for this. This was just sent to us for us to check it out. And here it is. You've got your LP connection to your 20-pound tank, or whatever you want to hook it to. Screws in here, obviously. And talk about getting some attention. My goodness, look at this. Yeah, it's called the grill gun. Here's a cradle for keeping it up the right positions. Probably a little table you can just put in like that. And yeah, check the grill gun out. It's called grillblazer.com. That's his address, grillblazer.com. Again, we're not being paid for this. This is just a shout out to, looks like a real cool, piece of equipment around your pit, the grill gun. Awesome, man. Thanks a lot. All right, so you'll find some more information in the description below, and I think that's pretty much it. Although I want to give, the microphone is still there. It's still there. I want to give a shout out to a couple people, a couple of our super fans, and this one here is from Amanda, and her husband's 39th birthday was yesterday. All right, so a big happy birthday, Jeff. We appreciate your support. She says, I'm hoping this message reaches you. Is such a big fan of the Pit Boys and is always watching videos and making Pit Boy recipes on weekends. Could you give him a special shout out on one of your videos? I absolutely know this would leave a smile for a long time. You bet. I mean, thanks, Jeff. And we appreciate your support. Like I said, all you guys are very important to us. But the only problem with just cooking on the weekends, like she said, is eventually you'll be doing this 7 days a week because your food is good, right? So Mama and the kids will be asking you to cook 7 days a week. Just get ready for that. And here's a cool one. This is from Lauren. And she says, I'm writing you because my 4-year-old daughter, Ivy, absolutely loves your videos. She walks around singing your song, Barbecue Shoes. I think she's your #1 UK fan. Oh, Ivy, happy birthday, girl. You're going to grow up being a pit master, right? Yourself, or a barbecue pit girl. You got a great mom, man. She's steering you in the right direction, right? And maybe showing you how to cook some barbecue pit boys, right? Cool. So, happy birthday, Ivy. Thumbs up, girl. So, we've got some deals going on our shop right now. You should check out. There's huge demand. We apologize if you can't get what you're after, but get a gift certificate or whatever. That'll work. That'll work fine. And we'll be restocked ASAP, and we look forward to your support in 2021. Aren't we all looking for 2021, right? So, appreciate it. So the next time you're looking for some stuff or some recipes for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.